Hey folks, well that last video that I posted was about incubating squash seeds. So today is day 4. Let's have a look and see how they're doing. Don't mind the shadows, it's the light in the background, you can see the shadows. Gonna get really close here. I need a finger. I need help with a finger. Okay, let's open this up and see what we have. See that? Four days. See how wonderful that is? 4 days. How healthy they look. Now they'll be planted outside 4 days later after incubation. And these were my own seeds. These were not packaged bought seeds. These were my own seeds from the squash itself. So it's raining quite heavy out there right now, and I'm not going to go outside now and plant them. But when it does stop raining, they'll get planted into the earth. So for now, I'm going to keep them folded up, keep them in the bag. You can see how much moisture is in the bag. Well, maybe you can't. But keep the moisture, stop them from drying out and dying. The napkin's still really damp. And there you have it, folks. Incubated seeds with a chicken egg or egg incubator. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not. And thank you very much for those that already have.